In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate gain on the sale of rental property in TurboTax. We'll be using TurboTax's capital gains tax calculator as a quick way to estimate the gain from a property sale. This is especially helpful if you want a clearer picture of the potential tax impact before filing. Keep in mind that for a rental property, your final tax result can depend on additional factors, but this calculator is a useful starting point. First, go to the official TurboTax website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site. From there, scroll down through the page until you find the Tax Tools and Calculators section. When you see the option for the Capital Gains Tax Calculator, click on it. This will open the calculator page where you can enter the numbers related to your rental property sale. The tool is designed to estimate gain and tax based on the information you provide, so accuracy matters here. Next, click on the filing status field and select the option that matches your tax situation. This part is important because filing status can affect how capital gains are taxed. Choose the one that applies to you, such as single, married filing jointly, or another available option. After that, enter the total cost of investment. In this field, you'll type the amount you originally invested in the property. This is generally the baseline amount used to help determine your gain. Be careful to enter the number exactly as you intend, since even a small mistake can change the estimate. Then, enter your estimated 2025 taxable income. This helps the calculator estimate your capital gains tax bracket. If you already have a rough idea of your income for the year, use that figure. If not, use your best reasonable estimate based on your expected earnings. Next, enter the total proceeds from the sale, which is the sales price of the property. This should be the amount you received or expect to receive from selling the rental property. Make sure this number reflects the sale price you want the calculator to evaluate. Once all the fields are filled in, click Run Calculation. TurboTax will then generate an estimate based on the information you entered. Review the result carefully so you can understand the projected gain and possible tax implications. As a final tip, double-check every amount before relying on the estimate. The calculator is only as accurate as the numbers entered, so taking an extra minute here can save confusion later. That's how to calculate gain on the sale of rental property using TurboTax.